Hey everybody, take 4. This is Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm here in Studio 205. What you're about to watch is a sort of kind of deconstructed bloom that I did, I don't know, 2-3 months ago, and then completely forgot about the video, resined the piece, put it up on my website. It just sold. And then I found the video. So that's what you're going to watch today. I hope you guys like it. And as usual, it wouldn't be a Karen video without something crazy happening. You'll see. Let me get you down.
Hey guys, it's Karen. So I was on like a 8 painting run. Cruised along, and then I did 8 paintings of that one color scheme, and I'm finally sick of it. So I got out what used to be one of my favorite colors, and now I guess I still like it, but not with teal. It's a Acrylics color called Super Russet. It's like a red copper color, and I got it out, and now I'm like, yeah, I don't like you. So I'm gonna bench him, and I made up some other colors. This first one, this is Atelier Fluid Acrylics. This is their French Ultramarine Blue. Quite sexy. I have some golden teal. I have some golden iridescent bright gold fine. I have this little piggy in Athena, and this little piggy in Rosé, and my cell activator is Amsterdam's Payne's Gray. So we're not gonna use this copper color because I'm like, I don't know. I just kind of said ew. It was an ew for me. So we'll reuse the paint though. So just kind of flip it over, like you're flipping pancakes. So follow your knife all the way across, you know, like that. And I'll just kind of go again. Pop that bubble. Go away. And wipe off my knife. And let's see. Let's go. That French Ultramarine Blue looks like it's pretty strong. I think between the blue and the teal, they're going to kind of duke it out. We're actually going to put Rosé on the bottom. I'm going to put that down first. And then we're going to do the French Ultramarine Blue. Bleu. And then the teal. And then Athena. Which is a little too close to the rosé, but that's okay. And then a little bit of gold. And then CA. And let's give this a blowout and see what it looks like. Here goes. I was going to puff in the middle, but then I realized I'm going to deconstruct this. And this color palette is super pretty. I just want to play with this one spot that I know will give me troubles later. Yes, she will. I can tell. All right. Let's go again. I don't know if I like the middle. Am I gonna wreck that middle? I think I will. All right, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's carry on. So we started with the rosé. And then I did ultramarine violet. Le teal. Athena. Oops. And some gold. I'm not going to worry about the middle of that one either. And let's do one more. I'm going to make myself a little landing pad. Hold on. So that I can put my final cup of colors. Where's my rosé? Rosé. Really kind of loving the color combo. Athena. And the gold. I do see a couple little areas with some hard lines that are have already caught my eyeball. That was a really big puddle, Karen. What the hell are you doing? This isn't a big canvas. It's just 12 by 24. All right. Last one. All right. I see some things I really don't like and other things I just absolutely love. I don't like this blob of pink here. Like it needs broken up. That's already better. I don't like these hard lines here. And I got my stick, but And I don't like this here either. Too much black right there. This still hasn't collected despite it being like 5 minutes later. Let me throw a little bit of white on my corners, like definitely over here. Just a little dollop right there. I don't think that end needs it. And down here. I'm kind of wondering if I should spin and then tilt, or tilt and then spin. If I spin first, all the stuff is going to fly off the top and bottom. Maybe a gentle spin, like a love spin. I don't even know what that is. I just made it up. I didn't quite make it to this one corner. We're gonna help it out. Put some light blue right there. Yeah, spinning doesn't really deconstruct it enough for me. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh my gosh, you guys can be able to see, and kind of go. Oh my gosh, like really stuck to the spinner. Oh, it's because I put a piece of tape and it must have dried. Oh no, I might be spinning this out and letting it dry here and then prying it off. I swear, the pickles I get myself into. I can just pick up the entire spinner like this for a second and get the weight of the paint over to the one side at least. That was a spin. Yeah, I see a bunch of stuff that needs to come off still. Foiled by my spinner. Was not expecting that. I got a big old butterfly wing going on. Something was happening when it was spinning and I was looking at it saying, ew, ew, ew. I think it's this whole bottom area that I kind of want to tilt down to. It's totally stuck to my spinner, y'all. The things I do to myself. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, let me just spin a little more, get this part a little closer to the edge, and hopefully some of this comes off. And then I'm going to take a skewer to a couple places, and we'll leave it be. I'm so easily amused. Hold on. Ready? I want to touch it in a spot where my fingerprints won't matter. Well, now I can spin it as hard as I want, knowing it's not going to fly off. I guess that's the good news. Oh, that did help with the bottom. Wow, gigantic cells. This might be all right now. It might just be okay. I'm gonna stare at it. I'm not convinced I like this color palette. I think that's my deal. I think the composition's pretty great. There's a couple little areas that need a little bit of help. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can see it pretty good. Where does it need help? It could use like a little flower or something right here. Oh yeah, I spun off all the paint. Or just make that a nice little pointy feature. Like no paint. I did a good job with I've been getting really good about using just enough paint to create art without wasting too much. Kind of proud of that. I'm gonna get on the haul. It's my new habit. It's get on the haul, wash my hands, and then come back and stare at it. But I think I kind of like it as is. And I mean, we'll see if the paint collects in the middle. I'm not even really sure how much I could spin off. To tell you the truth, it goes like, I see this one like this. Yeah. Yep. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I decided I like it. I came back. I don't want to mess with it. And I tried to unstick it from my spinner. And it is stuck. Like stuck. So I'm just going to leave it here until it dries because I don't want to mess up the painting. There's I think this is the bottom. And then coming up, I'm not going to get the bling or anything because, you know, it's in the doggy pool. But super pretty colors, I think. It looks, I see an emerging butterfly for sure. I'm sorry about the mess in my pool. That won't help you guys any. Yeah, stay tuned for the dry results and wish me luck getting it out of here. Okay, as I said, I forgot all about this video. Here's the cured in resin results of this one. It's been hanging in my studio. And then I found the video. There's the bottom. There's the gold blinging out. Look at that. No gold? Gold. No gold? Gold. The pink in this is super subtle, but it is there. You can see it up in here. There's the wing of the butterfly. And then this is all soft pink edges with the gold again. And then the blue. Let me stand back so you can see the whole thing. I love the silver undertones of this one. Let me move it there. No glare. Super pretty. It's already up on my website, I think. So, yeah. All right, what you guys think of that one? It was pretty comical once that painting dried of me trying to hoist it out of the puppy pool. But it came out like clean. The back of it was spotless and I was all tickled pink. So yeah, there's always some sort of calamity here. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.